Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, here is the euro chart again. What we see on the current trading session on the daily time frame, we see that market gradually is continuing to move to the downside. But in general, if you will take a look at the weekly time frame and build different fib extensions from different swings, you'll see that the area between the 123.80 and 125.30 area, it contains a lot of different fib extension targets on the weekly time frame. So that is an area of support. Also, as we said in our weekly research, that this area also contains minor monthly fib support level 786 support on the monthly time frame. Slightly lower here stands the weekly pivot support one. It's 123.99. It's right here. So in general, market still could meet some support in that area and show some pullback to the upside. Still on the daily time frame, you see that trend is holds still bearish. Market not quite at the oversold area, so gradually it still could continue a bit lower, but in general overall price action on the intraday charts looks like some exhausting on the market, and it's very probable that retracement could happen. Mostly because on the 4-hour time frame we see the second butterfly by the side of some price action. When the butterflies appear side by side, it very often leads to appearing of wedge pattern, wedge price action. So you can see that's really so, and very often it accompanied with appearing of the divergence, although we do not see yet the crossing of the MACD line to the upside, but in general you can see this divergence now is developing. So that gives us some more clarification of the current situation, since market is forming the bullish wedge pattern, some sign of the exhausting of the market, and this short-term reversal pattern could trigger the retracement to the upside. On the hourly time frame, it's also the same pattern, but I a bit extended. So you can see that we could build even such kind of the wedge pattern on the hourly time frame. Still, current market gives us a lot of opportunities to trade. So if you're a day trader, and since our research is mostly released on a daily basis, so our task is to wait wait of the breakout of this wedge. So if breakout will be to the upside, then market still could hit now area around 126.80 confluence resistance. If you trade harmonic patterns, you could try to trade particularly this butterfly on the long side of the market. If you trade classical patterns or divergences, you could trade, for instance, this wedge pattern. So this depends on your trading style, your context, what you usually trade. So, but until the moment of the breakout of current wedge, it's difficult to make any action, since on the daily time frame we have bearish trend, and theoretically we can't enter on the long side of the market since our context is bearish. At the same time, we at solid support area, and to enter short right at support is not very wise. That's why from the daily perspective it's better to wait resolving the question with this wedge pattern. But if you're a scalp trader, if you trade on the intraday chart, I suppose that you could find a lot of different possibilities to trade on the hourly time frame or even on the lower time frames. So that's our current view on the market. In 2 words, it's just we have to wait a bit and wait how situation will be solved about current wedge pattern.